Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Kusum Ramachandran from Manjeet Singh CPA PC in Falls Church, and with me is Mr. Manjeet Singh. Good morning, Mr. Singh.
Good morning, Kusum. It's almost close to the deadline. Just 3 to 4 more days left.
Right.
Are you sleepy yet? Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, today it's a broken record. Every time around April 15, we talk only about one subject matter, and you're going to see a lot of other accountants talking about the same issue. Extension, extension, extension. Don't despair if you haven't been able to finish your tax return.
Yeah.
There's still
File
hope.
an extension.
File an extension. It's easy. It's painless, except if you owe money.
Then it's a little painful because you have to write that check.
All right. You want to take over and explain them how to do the check?
Sure. Form 4868 is the one. And don't forget your state, because if you think that you're going to owe on your state taxes as well, then you better write that check. In Virginia, we're a little lucky. We have until May 1st to file the state extension and pay the state taxes. It's April 15th for the federal. Other states, DC, Maryland, they follow the federal, so the taxes have to be in by the 15th. Like I said, it's Form 4868, and you can file it online or you can mail it in. You can go to www.officialpayments.com and make a payment by credit card if you like, but be aware that the credit card companies do charge a convenience fee, which is about 3% of the amount that you pay.
Form 4868, available on the IRS website, irs.gov, 4868 under Publication and Forms, easy to download. Or if you want, you can talk to your accountant or get it through the fax machine as well. One of the things you would like to do is try to do a fair calculation the best way. If you are not seeking professional help, if you are not playing with the real numbers, I would suggest pick up your last year's tax return, put the numbers that you think you have this year. W-2 information is there that you have, and the federal withholding, you know what it is, and the state withholding, as Kusum told you, that you need to do the state also, estimate the state as well, and go down the list. You know, if you, last year you had $1,000 in, last by is 2008, you had $1,000 in interest income. The interest rate this year in 2008 was lower, so you know it's going to be about 700 or 600 if the amount of money is almost the same in the bank. If you received any dividends, state income tax refunds, I think it is safe to assume about 5 to 7%, or even conservatively 10% lower for your itemized deduction, because remember, the mortgage interest that you incurred in the prior year will be more than what you are incurring in this year, unless you have interest-only loan or you had a change in the interest rate going upwards. Basically, you can. But please bear in mind one more thing that I had a surprise today when I was doing a tax return is the children's age. If you're getting child tax credit of the $1,000, if any of your children exceeded the age of 16, you lost $1,000. So please compensate for that, if nothing else.
Also, if your income went up, then you might fall within the phase-out range for some of these credits. So that's something to be aware of. But at the end of the day, the extension is only an extension of time to file, not to pay the taxes owed. And so although you can file your taxes all the way up to October 15th, you do need to send in the money.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are running out of time for today. And I wish you happy returns for April 15th. And please do not hesitate to contact your accountant of choice if you need assistance in this matter. This is Manjeet. Till next week.
And I'm Kusum. Goodbye.